This video is brought to you by Dr. Kristen R. Bromley's Guitar Method Book Series and Online Music Academy.
Hi, I'm Dr. Kristen Bromley. Welcome to my online academy. It's so fun to meet here with you in these online lessons. In this video, I'm going to be playing numbers 10 through 15 from lesson 1, which is part of Note Reading Book 3, which is part of my method book series. So right now in the lesson series, we've been learning to read notes using a basic C major scale in second position. With lesson 1, we also look at how we can do the same thing in 7th position. And later on with lesson 3, we look at an alternate fingering we can use where we'd be playing in 5th and 4th positions. So you might be using any one of those scales to work on reading these notes. I'm just doing it once here, but you can jam along with me using any of those scales that you're working on reading with. So we're going to do numbers 10 through 15. These are found on pages 6, 7, and 8 of the Note Reading Book 3 method book. So we'll start with number 10 and we'll just go in numerical order. Each one's going to happen twice, first at a slower tempo and then a faster tempo. If you're newer at the note reading, then you'll especially enjoy doing numbers 10 through 12, and you might also be okay with number 13, which works in 3/4 time. But numbers 14 and 15 are particularly challenging scale exercises. So if you're not ready for those, it's okay. Don't frustrate yourself. Just enjoy working on the notes at the level you're at. Each one of these lessons in the book is designed so you could be brand new to this and work on those first few songs and exercises and make your way through the book just doing that sort of thing. And it's designed to help someone who's been reading a long time, even like myself, to get better, in which case numbers 14 and 15 still work my reading chops if I get them going fast enough. So it's kind of designed that way. So make this method book, make these exercises work for you. Those first few all the way up to number 12 are great, even 13. That's great for when you're just getting started. All right, we're going to go ahead and play these songs and exercises together. Okay, awesome. I hope you're having fun with this. In the next video, we're going to be moving on to lesson 2 in the Note Reading Book 3 method book. With that, we're going to be taking the scale forms that we've been using and we're going to go 1 octave higher with them. So when I say the scale forms, it's that first scale form that we use, scale form 1. We're going to learn to use that with some other string sets where we're playing 1 octave higher, and then of course with lesson 3 comes the introduction of how to use that alternate form and do the same sort of thing. So that's what's to come. We'll be jamming on some more songs and exercises. It's going to be great. Take care and I'll see you again.
Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And be sure to check out more great content. You can find more information about me and my products at KristenBromley.com. Take care.